Good morning, children. This is exercise number 1.5, chapter 1. First problem, find the value. We have to find the value of 64 1 upon 2. Okay, 64 can be written as 4 cube is equal to 64. Okay, 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, in the same way, 8 square also 64. 2 raised to power 6 also 64. But here I will be taking 8 square, I will be writing 64 in the form of 8 square. So 8 square raised to power 1 upon 2. 8 square, here bracket means multiplication. 1 upon 2. 2 will be cancelled. 8 raised to power 1 is equal to 8. Okay, according to the exponent we have to choose. If 3 is there, we will be choosing 4 cube. If 6 is there, we will be choosing 2 raised to power 6. Then second problem is 2 raised to power 32 raised to power 1 upon 5. 32 raised to power 1 upon 5. Okay, 32 can be written as, if you want to, you can follow this method. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. How many 2s are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 is there in the exponent, 1 upon 5 is there. So 5 will be cancelled. I will be taking 2 raised to power 5, 1 upon 5. Okay, 2 raised to power 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled. Your answer is 2. Okay, now let us go to the third problem. Third problem is 125 raised to power 1 upon 3. Okay, 125 can be written as 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, 5 cube whole raised to power 1 upon 3. Okay, 5 cube into 1 upon 3, 3 will be cancelled. 5 is the answer. Okay, now next is second problem. Second also we have to find. What we have to find here? Find the value of 9 3 upon 2. 9 3 upon 2. 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. Okay, here 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 3 square, I will be substituting in place of 9, 3 square in bracket and 3 upon 2. So bracket means multiplication. So 2 will be cancelled. 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 is your answer. Okay, next is next problem. In this second problem is 32 raised to power 2 upon 5. 32 raised to power 2 upon 5. Already I told you 32 can be written as in the previous 2 raised to power 5. Okay, 2 raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5. 5 will be get cancelled. 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is equal to 2 into 2. So our answer is 4. Okay, let us come to the third one. What is the third one here? 125 raised to power 1 upon 3. 125 raised to power, sorry, next problem is 16 raised to power 3 upon 4. 16 raised to power 3 upon 4. So 16 can be written as 4 square. Okay, 16 can be written as 4 square and 16 can also be written as 2 raised to power 4. So both we can So I will be choosing a 4 square I will not take. I will be taking 2 raised to power 4. Why? Because 2 raised to power 4. If you want, you can get by this method. 2 8s are, 2 2s are, and 2 4s are, sorry, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So 2 raised to power 4 I will be taking in place of 16. Why? Because here in denominator 4 is there. So 4 will be cancelled. So according to the exponent given, we have to take. So now it is 2 cube. So what is 2 cube? 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Then fourth problem is 125 raised to power 1 upon 3. 125 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. So 125 can be written as 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5, 5s are 5, 1s are. It can be written as 5 cube into minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now 5 cube into minus 1 upon 3. 3 will be cancelled. 5 minus 1. Okay. Now here exponent is negative. So when you take it in the denominator, that can be written as 1 upon 5. This 5 raised to power 1. It is a numerator. When it goes to the denominator, this negative value becomes positive. Supposing 3 minus raised to power 3 is there. So to make the power positive, we can take it as 1 upon 3 cube. Okay. That is about question number 2. Now next question number 3 is, here we have to simplify. In simplify, first question is 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 2 upon 3. Full stop means multiplication. 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. Okay, here bases are same. So when bases are same, powers can be added. Okay, this is the power 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 5. So you have to add 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. So what is the LCM? 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, here LCM is 15. 10 plus 3 1s are 3. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 13 upon 15. This is your answer. What is the answer? 2 raised to power 13 upon 15. Okay, it's my second one. What is the second one? 1 raised to power 3 cube whole raised to power 7. 1 upon 3 cube in bracket whole raised to power 7. Okay, now this 7 belongs to both. What? 1 as well, because whole bracket is there. That is why 7 belongs to 1 and as well as 3. So it can be written as 1 upon 7, 1 raised to power 7, 3 cube already is there, into 7. Because we have distributed the power to both numerator and denominator. 1 upon 7 is any number raised to power 1 raised to power any number is 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1 into कितनी भी और ले लो आप 1 ही आएगी. 3, this is 3 raised to power 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay, now in the denominator exponent is 21. So if you bring it to the numerator, this will become negative. अगर न्यूमरेटर में पावर नेगेटिव हो तो डिनोमिनेटर में लाए तो पॉजिटिव होगा, ऐसे ही डिनोमिनेटर में पावर पॉजिटिव हो तो न्यूमरेटर में नेगेटिव होगा. दिस इज योर आंसर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज which is the third one in this case. What is that third one? 11 1 upon 2 minus 11 1 upon 4. Okay, when bases are same, powers will be subtracted. So how the powers will be now? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, 11, here LCM ले लो 4, 2 minus 4. Okay, now here 11 minus 2 upon 4. Sorry, 4 1 2 2s are 1 upon 4. 11 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, now here 4 1s are 4 here and 2 1s are 2. So here you will be getting 2 upon 4. Okay, 2 4 4 minus, just a minute, here I have done wrong. Okay, here bases are same, powers will be subtracted. Now 11 upon 11 raised to power 1 upon 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 upon 4. So 11 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Here LCM is 4. Okay, then you will be getting here 11 1 upon 4. Then here you will be getting 2 minus 1. Okay, 11 1 upon 4. This is the answer. Okay, now next is fourth problem. 7 1 upon 2, 7 1 upon 2, 8 1 upon 2. Okay, here bases are different but power is same. So we can write 7 into 8 whole raised to power 1 upon 2. So now 7 8 is 56, 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay, with this we have completed the 1.5 exercise. I will send you few problems for the practice. You solve those.